How to add multiple audio in Canva video. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Canva on your device and further open the project where you want to add multiple audios in. Now, from the left side toolbar, scroll through and navigate to the audio option and tap on it, and then tap on the music free option in order to see audios, or you can also tap on the search bar and search for your preferred audio. Now simply go ahead and tap on the audio that you want to add to your project. And in order to add multiple audios, simply scroll through and keep tapping on all the audios that you want to add. And as you can see here, all the audios have been stacked below each other. And if you play the audio and the video together, you will be able to listen all the audios that you have added at once. So this is how you can add multiple audio in Canva video. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.